Hello and welcome back to another deep dive tutorial from GW Add-ons. As your automation needs grow, you'll find that a simple name on a piece of paper isn't always enough. In today's digital-first environment, professional organizations require two things: security and versatility. Security means having a way to verify that a document is real, often through QR codes or ID photos. Versatility means being able to issue a complete, package of documents to a user, not just one single file. Today, we are going to master these advanced features. We will learn how to dynamically insert images and QR codes into your designs, and then we will set up a workflow that allows one single Google Forms submission to generate multiple different certificates. This is the masterclass for those who want to turn Google Forms into a full-scale professional credentialing platform. Let's start with dynamic images. Imagine you are issuing an ID card or a highly official certification. You want the person's photo to appear on the document automatically. To do this, your Google form needs a file upload question. This is where your users will provide their image. Now, look at our Google Slides template. We've left a space for that image. In the Smart Certificates sidebar, under the Mapping section, we can tell the add-on to take the file from that specific form question and place it inside our document. It's a seamless transition from a form entry to a visual asset. But what about security? QR codes are the gold standard for verification. Within the configuration, you can choose to generate a unique QR code for every single recipient. This code can lead back to a verification URL, ensuring that the certificate cannot be forged. This turns a simple PDF into a secure, verifiable professional document. Now, let's move to a feature that is a total game changer for event organizers: multiple certificates. Often, a single submission should result in more than one document. For example, every attendee might get a certificate of participation, but only those who achieved a certain score should also receive a special achievement award. Instead of making the user fill out the form twice, we can configure smart certificates to trigger multiple processes simultaneously. In the configuration sidebar, you'll notice an option to add another certificate. This allows you to stack different templates on top of the same form data. Each of these certificates can have its own design, its own naming convention, and even its own storage folder in your Google Drive. You are essentially running 2 or 3 automation workflows at the exact same time, from one single click of the Submit button. When setting up multiple certificates, the mapping becomes even more important. You can be highly specific. Perhaps you want the QR code to appear on the official ID badge, but not on the decorative participation certificate. Smart Certificates gives you that granular control. You can also apply different logic to each document. You can set Certificate A to send to everyone, while Certificate B only triggers if a specific answer was selected in the form. This allows you to build incredibly complex branching workflows. We're just saving these rules now. The system is creating a map that says, when the user hits Submit, check the score, generate the ID with a QR code, and if they passed, generate the achievement award as well. It's time for the ultimate test. I'm filling out our form as a student. I'm uploading my profile picture, answering the questions, and hitting Submit. Now remember what we've asked the system to do. It has to process that image, generate a unique QR code, and create 2 different certificates. Because we are dealing with image processing and QR generation, the cloud takes an extra second to ensure everything is rendered at high resolution. This is where the Smart Certificates engine is at its most powerful, handling complex file transfers in the background. Now let's look at my inbox. Just like that, I have received an email containing both documents. My ID badge has my photo and my secure QR code, and my achievement certificate is perfectly formatted. Everything worked exactly as planned. Finally, let's look at the back end. Managing multiple certificates could be a storage nightmare if it wasn't for the automated logging. In your Google Drive, Smart Certificates can automatically sort these files into different folders, keeping your workspace clean. And in your Google Sheet, you'll see separate rows and columns for every document issued. You can see the specific QR code data and the links to the generated files. You are not just automating, you are building a database of achievement. Whether you need to secure your documents with QR codes, personalize them with member photos, or issue an entire suite of documents at once, Smart Certificates is the tool that scales with your ambition. Thank you for joining this masterclass. Visit Smart Certificates to start your free trial, and visit gwaddons.com for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more advanced automation tips. We'll see you in the next video.